A map of a national park has a grid on it to help reference locations. The camping office is located at -510 on the grid, and the lodge is at 2-4. Each square on the grid represents a distance of 2 miles. We will need that later. Use your formula from question 4 to find the distance from the camping office to the lodge. And they didn't say this, but they're going to want us to round our distance using these 2 points to the nearest tenth before we multiply by this 2 miles here. So if each grid represents 2 miles, once we get our distance, we're going to multiply by 2 miles. So let's go and use our distance formula. D equals quantity -5 minus 2 squared plus quantity 10 minus 4 squared. So that gives us a square root of -7 squared plus 6 squared. So -7 quantity squared gives us a positive 49. 6 squared is a 36. I'd like to say if you ever find yourself squaring that and you get a negative number, you have messed up because we're supposed to square the entire quantity there. All right, so that 49 plus 36 gives us 85, so we have square root of 85, and that will round to 9.2 units. So now we're going to take our 9 2/10 and multiply by that 2 miles, and that will give us roughly 18.4 miles. So go ahead and try the did you get it? That's another great example. Have to tell you, I love this problem if that's any kind of hint as far as would you see this again. So give it a go. You know it's going to be on the Connect Math, and it's also going to be on your next exam.